it hot in here or is it just me? I'm so high in here from smoking on this weed. Told him go take a shot on 3. Told him drink.
Hey girl, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing a wig install. We are going to be installing a 4x4 closure wig by MEGALOOK. We're going to be getting right into this goodie bag. They sent me over a wig cap, some lashes, a edge brush, as well as this cute little hair clip, and also this headband secure to lay your wig down. I did have a 22-inch wig and it's in the auburn color. It's so cute, girl. So it comes with your regular 3 comb attachments, your band in the back, and then your adjustable strap as well. So we're gonna just get right into it with the even tinted lace. I already prepped the wig off camera, and I think I just sprayed it with some freeze spray just to like melt it in, make sure it doesn't move. So we're gonna just get right into the install. I am gonna go in and cut off these little tabby things that you don't need on your wig when you install it, because it's just gonna make it, it's gonna help the wig lay flatter on your head, and it's gonna give it a seamless look. I did sort of bleach the knots as well. They didn't really bleach, so maybe I'll go back in and try it again, but I don't really think I need to. So now we're just gonna go ahead and cut off this lace. I feel like it's easier for me to pre-cut the lace prior to actually putting the wig on. I don't know why, I just feel like it's easier for me. I think the next install that I do want to try to really mimic my actual hairline. I do have a slight widow's peak, and I just feel like when I'm wearing a wig, it's more flattering and it fits my head better. So I'm just going to go in and sanitize with the Sea Breeze and go in with the Erica J Hold Me Down Adhesive Skin Guard. Blow dry that really quick before you put on. I am going to be using her glue as well, her Hold Me Down glue, and I think I used 2 to 3 layers. I can't remember. Girl, I live in Dallas, so I wasn't really trying to give glueless, but at the same time I wanted some you know, reassurance, so I went ahead and went in with this glue. And like I said, I think I did 2 to 3 layers of this. I did not let the glue dry because Arrogant Tay said don't do that, and girl, y'all know he is the king of laces, so I'm gonna do what he say every time. So I'm gonna go ahead and go in repeatedly after each layer without letting the glue dry, and then once I'm done applying each layer, then I'll let the glue dry prior to, well, not dry completely, obviously you want it to still be tacky, but before we put the wig on. If I'm gonna be honest, girl, I really wasn't sure how this install was gonna go, so I was like low-key nervous, especially because I'm wearing a color that I have never worn before. So I wasn't sure if I was gonna give clown. So, and at this point as well, I was trying to figure out if I even wanted baby hairs, because y'all know with the 4x4s, it don't be like a lot of like lace. So I just didn't want my baby hairs in the middle of my freaking head. So I was over here like, do I even want to do baby hairs, or do I want to give no baby hairs? But I went ahead and did the baby hairs just because. But it definitely would have been way better, I feel, if I would have done a 5x5 closure. I do want to mention that all of the information on this wig will be down below, and if I didn't already mention, this video is not sponsored at all. I bought this wig with my own money, and I just wanted to give y'all an install and tell y'all about it. Okay. Okay, so yes, you can see I am doing the baby hairs on each side, and I'm gonna do this, I know I'm gonna do this prior to melting the lace. I'm gonna go in with my Even Wonder spray in the reddish orange bottle, and prior to putting that on, I am just going to buff in some more of that. I think I just used some foundation instead of the tinted spray this time. A tip that I've seen a hairstylist do on Instagram, he, instead of using like his fingers, he used a brush, and I think I'm going to try that next time. So now I'm just going to go in with my wax stick, girl, just so we can kind of give it a nice, seamless, flat, nice looking install. I didn't want to do too much because y'all know, like, sometimes the wax sticks be having your whole install looking real greasy and it just be looking a mess. So I was trying to be very, you know, a little bit of wax will go a long way. Make sure you're using your hot comb on like a really hot temperature so that you can make sure that your install is super flat. I'm going to be using the band that they sent over to lay down and secure my wig. This band was heavy or big, so I did have to like tie it before actually using the Velcro strips. And now I'm just going to go in and flat iron my hair. Say hi to Roman. I'm going to be using my Bio Silk. And y'all, a little goes a long way with this Bio Silk. Do not get heavy-handed with it, please. So I'm just going to flat iron my hair. Y'all know how to flat iron y'all's hair, so I'm not going to talk too much. Y'all just going to watch me while I flat iron my hair. Really quick though, I do want to talk about the hair itself as far as shedding and any of that stuff. During the install, while I was doing the install, it wasn't really shedding, but as I wore the wig throughout the week, I was finding like red hair like in my apartment, but nothing like ridiculous to where it's like, oh my god, this wig is really shedding. I think we should all expect our wigs to shed because our hair, even our hair on our head, sheds on a daily basis. And if you didn't know this, our head of hair actually sheds 160 to 200 pieces of hair strands daily. If you didn't know, now you know. So don't get all your panties in a bunch if you get a wig and it's shedding. Girl, our hair on our head sheds, okay? But the hair was very soft and it was like very silky. So yeah.
Baby girl, you know me. Yeah. Heart still on javelin, baby. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. I was pulling off, but they knew me. Sometimes I wish there was two of me, or three of me, when it was you and me.
Girl, make sure you really press out this wig, especially since I did decide to wear this straight. So you want this flat as possible. Girl, at this point, I still wasn't sure about this install. I was like, girl, where are we going with this? Where are we going? I had left and came back to the mirror, girl, and I forgot I was a redhead. And when I see myself again, I was like, ooh, okay, girl, you cute. So now we're going to pluck out some of those hairs in our baby hairs because we don't want them large and in charge, okay? So make sure you pluck out your baby hairs. And I'm just going to use a razor to shape them up. I like to wear my baby hairs the same way I would wear my natural hair. So I do like to kind of have them a little longer in the back end because that's how I wear my natural hair anyway. Girl, this little pencil be scaring the shit out of me, okay? Because when I say if you burn yourself, it literally hurts like enough to piss you off that you don't even want to do your hair no more. So yeah, just take a really tiny pencil, flat iron, and curl your baby hairs up or down, whichever you prefer. I probably would just do it up so you make sure you don't burn yourself. But up and down, I feel like do have a slight difference in the way it looks. But yeah, see, I burned myself and I was pissed. So to lay my baby hairs, I am just going to use the Eco Style gel. I normally would use the Gots to Be gel, but I feel like I like using this gel better because it's movable and they're not stuck the next day. So if I have to fix them, I'm not fighting through that Gots to Be gel, and it lays just the same. If you want, you can spray a little bit of like hairspray or something on it to like make sure it stays all day, but I honestly didn't have an issue with my baby hair staying after using the gel. So now at this point, I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit of wax just because I just felt like my wig wasn't like laying flat the way I wanted it to. I didn't want to go heavy with the wax, but it wasn't laying flat, so I was just like, let me just go back in a little bit more with this wax stick. And as you can see, she's definitely laying a lot flatter and she looking real good. She's starting to look real good. I was starting to like really feel myself at this point. So now we're just going to do a little bit of face framing. I didn't realize that I didn't fully get this part in the video, but as you can see, I just took 2 pieces, one from each side to use as my guide, and then I went down in an angle to get that desired face framing or like shape for this little silk press we finna do. And then I'm just going to take my flat iron, my Babyliss flat iron, and just kind of like turn my hair in just to give it that super cute, I guess, 90s silk press type of look. Super cute, guys, super cute. I am going to, I sprayed just a little bit of the Sebastian just to kind of, I wanted to give like crisp. So I love the Sebastian. If you've never tried it, you definitely need to try it for your installs or even your regular hair because it is a movable spray, hairspray. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching my video. All the information about this wig will be down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you are not a new subscriber, I will let you know there's going to be a life update here soon because life has been crazy for me, okay?
I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things just started getting tense. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn a chrome.